Welcome to a sunny day at the farm where our friend, the curious kitty, is ready for a fun-filled adventure. She's eager to meet all the farm animals and learn their sounds. Let's join her. Look, our first stop is the chicken coop. Can you hear that? Cluck, cluck. Yes, that's the sound our feathered friends make. The kitty is amused by the chicken's unique sound. Next, we have the cows. The kitty pricks her ears as she hears the loud moo. She's learning so quickly, isn't she? And look at her mimicking the cows. Moo. Moving on, the kitty hears a loud baa in the distance. It's the sheep, grazing peacefully on the green pastures. The kitty seems intrigued by their fluffy wool and their distinct sound. Now, let's hop over to the pig pen. Here, the kitty hears the pigs oinking. Oink, oink. She tries to mimic. Isn't it fun to learn about these farm animals and their sounds? Let's not forget the horses. The kitty is mesmerized by their majestic gallop. She listens carefully as they neigh, adding another sound to her knowledge of farm animals. Next stop, the duck pond. Quack, quack. The kitty is learning so fast, and she seems to enjoy the duck sound the most. She even tries to quack back at them. Listen, can you hear that hee-haw? Yes, it's the donkey. Our kitty friend is amazed by the unique sound. She's surely going to remember this one. Moving on, the kitty hears a gobble-gobble sound. It's the turkeys. She's surprised by the diverse sounds that each farm animal makes. Isn't it fascinating? We have one last stop, the hive. Buzz goes the bees. Although a little scared, the kitty is eager to learn their sound. She might not mimic this one, but she sure has learned it. We've had a busy day at the farm, haven't we? We've met so many animals and learnt their sounds. Our kitty friend had an exciting day, and she can't wait to visit again. Our kitty's adventure has taught us so much about farm animals and their sounds. We hope you had fun learning with us. Let's revisit the farm again soon and learn more.